I'm installing Apple CarPlay on my 2003 Audi TT. First, remove the old radio and the two plastic covers on the side. Up next, unbolt the two T20 screws and remove the other two plastic covers. Now the old radio is ready to come out. That's when I realized the old connector doesn't match up to the new connector on the new radio I got. So, tough life, I need to change the connectors and adapt to the new one. I cut the wires from the old connector and match them up to the new connector. Black wire for ground, red wire for accessory power, yellow wire for constant power, and blue wire to power up the engine. After that, the radio should work. Plug it up, make sure it's working fine, connect the RCA cables, and enjoy your new Apple CarPlay in your Audi TT.